This is my Oclean cordless water flosser, or portable oral irrigator. Depends what you call it. So this is a awesome high quality flossing method. If you have braces or don't like to floss, or have sensitive teeth, or want to get healthier gums, or more effective plaque removal, this could be a great option for you. So it does come with multiple different performance nozzles. I've just placed the standard nozzle on for this video's purpose. And you can see that is where you fill it up with water. But it also comes with a tongue scraping nozzle, orthodontics nozzle, as well as a periodontal pocket nozzle. I have had braces in the past, and so I have a permanent retainer on my lower mouth. So I love this for my lower teeth to just really get everything out behind that bracket. So power button, super easy to follow on here. Definitely gives you a strong pulse. Yeah, you can see I'm just using it here. Very easy to fill it up with water. It has a 360 rotatable nozzle and a detachable water tank. Makes it super easy to clean. I have it in the pink, but it also comes in the green. Love it. Check it out.